Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? Breakthrough 4-step commission steps. They are easy. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the simplest way to start making money. Now, I have a question for you. First off, make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell, all that stuff. Hopefully, wherever you are, the smoke has cleared if you're in North America, because man, it was bad for a couple of weeks here. We were choking out. Would you like to become in the top 5% of affiliate marketers that make money every single day, and basically have the dream life? Like, do you want that? If that's what you want, hit yes, hit yeah, Glenn, I want to do it. Because I've been testing out this system now for, it's actually been 78 days. I've been testing it out for 78 days. I've put 2,500 people onto my email list from this system. I've made thousands of dollars in commissions from different offers. Like it's I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 7 streams of income. I've just opened up 2 more streams of income with this thing. Like, it's crazy, guys. And all it is 4 simple steps, and they're laid out for you. There's video telling you exactly what to do. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, becoming the elite, becoming, basically the people that, like, and if you want to be making $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 a year, right? You don't have to create your own websites. You never have to deal with customer support. You can work literally from anywhere as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection. And technically, you could do it with a smartphone. Once you've basically set everything up, you could literally run your entire business from a smartphone. Once it's set up, it's literally, guys, it's seriously, it's about 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening, and that's basically all you're going to be doing, because the system is just going to be creating your business for you. Now, I know you're going, Glenn, come on, and we hear this stuff all the time. It's always, it's always this. Now, first off, this isn't for everybody. It's not free, right? This is you're going to be paying like a real business. You're going to be paying for advertising, but you're not going to be paying for Facebook ads, not Google ads, not YouTube ads, none of that stuff. I mean, you can to add to it, but what you're going to be doing is you're going to be buying paid traffic. And paid traffic is going to be cold traffic that you're going to convert to your email list. Now, a lot of you probably are going, oh, email list. Guys, this is crazy. The way that this system works, and I'm going to explain it very simply to you. There are millions of people out there wanting to learn how to make money online, right? Just like you, just like me. We all want to learn how to make money online so we can live this dream lifestyle. Now, a lot of people train, like, yes, go make a website and start, writing all these articles. And I even say that is a way to do it, but that's not the quick way to do it. And I'm realizing after all these years, is like, that is something you can add on. But the key element of successful affiliate marketers is their email list. Like, that is the goal. That is the asset, right? Because literally, whenever you need to make money, you get up, you write an email, and the email literally can be 5 to 15 sentences. Like, it doesn't have to be long. And you, whatever offer you attach to it, and you hit send. If you've got anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 subscribers on your list, you can easily be making $100, $200 a day. If you have 5,000 to 10,000 people on your list, you're easily, guys, that's like you're easily making $10,000 a month, right? So then you exponentially add to that, right? Get your list up to 10, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Imagine, right? Imagine you're able to write an email, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, write an email, hit send, and it goes out to 40,000 people. But these are people that aren't on a safe list. These are people that are on your list, that opted into your email list to get information from you. That is that is basically the simple thing. And you're going, well, but yeah, but then I got to set up a landing page and I got to set up. No, it's the system that I'm about to show you when it's down. I want you to go read the email, actually read the description down below. This system is literally 4 steps and it takes about 20 minutes to set up. I'm not kidding you. It's like, it's literally go here. In fact, I added, there's three autoresponder programs in it that you use. And an autoresponder, guys, that's where your email list sits. That's your most valuable tool. You want a good autoresponder. Don't cheap out on an autoresponder. You want a good autoresponder, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, or SendShark. Those are the three that we use. They all come at like different price points. If you're really on a budget, go with SendShark. But the great thing is that SendShark, it's not as robust for the analytics of an autoresponder, but it has a very, very good compensation plan. So I recommend getting an account there anyway, even if you do have a GetResponse or an Aweber account. And those are the two that I recommend. I prefer Aweber over GetResponse myself, just for a couple little technical reasons. And I've also been an Aweber user for a long time. They basically do the same thing, and basically, guys, to add one of the autoresponders I added, it literally took me like click, click, click. It was done. All the emails were loaded into it. Everything was done for me, right? And it's so simple to do. So it's basically a 4-step process, right? And then you'd come and join us in our Facebook group. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's happening in our Facebook group, because I think proof is the best way to do it. So let me show you here. Let's go. Come on, load up. All right. So I'm just gonna show you my screen here, guys. Come on. All right, so this is our Facebook group. Now this is, we did just launch a brand new program. You can only get it by being a member here, and you can be a $9 member, you can be a $50 a month member, you can be a $300 a year member, whatever it is. You can get this broadcast mentor. It's probably, today is the last day that you can catch it for the discount, but it's still worth it, guys. You'll make your money back in literally weeks doing it. Anyways, so just going down here, I want to show you some people are haven't even been 24 hours, ninth on the leaderboard with 100 leads. There's someone joined and they're on the leaderboard with 100 leads. And that's the guy that invented it, Matthew Neer. He is drinking his stuff. So this is one. This is Bob Valin. Building slowly, but I will get there. So this guy is brand new to it. You'll see down here, he's made $8. So he's made a couple of sales. He's got 2 team members, so both of them came in at the $9 level. He's got 1 pass up lead, so he's passed up a lead. He's got 179 people on his list, so he's building it quite slowly, but you can do it way faster. But this little thing here, this is called Click Cash. You get paid for the number of leads that you have. You get paid a small amount. I'm currently making about $60 a month with that, and my upline is currently making about $600 a month with this. It's just free cash, guys. Bob Riddell, 30 days ago I started this journey. Little did I know that 4 weeks I would be literally number 10 on the leaderboard. He's rocking it because he's just following the steps. There's a ton of people in here. There's the ninth newest LCP for the $9 funnel is up. Broadcast money. So this is our program here that shows you exactly how to market to your list that you're building here, and how to what are the best offers at ClickBank and what to send them. So it's a brilliant program. I picked it up. I've already started my journey on that just for a couple of days now. Here's Richard Weberg. This is actually my sponsor. Another $1,000 day with the system, right? And these are all the commissions that are coming in through this system. They want a fridge because we're doing a contest right now. Anyway, guys, this is Seeley. He's rocking it. He's number 5 in the contest. He's just rocking it going on. But people are getting so much success from here. This is Greg. He's the other co-creator of the program. Anyways, um, that's basically, guys, you need to be in that Facebook group. So going back to my proposal to you, and why you should check this system out. Building an email list, and I've been doing it for a while. I've built lists and I've let them go, and I built lists and I let them go, and I never had the right information. I couldn't sort of tie it together, and I've had a fairly good success, but I couldn't get consistent success. I couldn't get, the success that keeps going and going and going. I basically would build a list, have some success, and then the program would go away, or something would change, or I would chase something shiny, and then I would lose interest. Well, had I kicking myself now, had I just continued on my original course of when I started of building my list, it would be night and day. So what I propose to you, don't go chasing shiny. Come and check out our system. Get started for just a couple of bucks a day. Get in here, build. And the thing is, if you ever leave this system, you get to take your leads with you. They're not in the system. They're in your autoresponder. They're not stuck in here. Like when you go promote other people's products, a lot of times all you're doing is building their email list for them. So the next time they do a launch, they don't have to go get affiliates. They're going to sell it to their list first, and then they're going to get affiliates to start selling it to them, right? So you're building lists for them, and what you want to do is build your list. This is your asset. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification. It really is the ultimate affiliate marketing funnel. I have never, and the way, and you got to go in and watch the video on how it works exactly, because the way that it grows your list is phenomenal, and as you pick up momentum, it picks up momentum and grows it even faster. So it's a very, very, very cool system. And then all you got to do is get up in the morning, write an email, hit send, boom, make money. Get in the evening, write another email, hit send, boom, make money every day. That's your job, right? You are an affiliate marketer. You go get offers and you present them to people. Whether they're education products, whether they're products to help productivity, whether they're software as a service, whatever it is, you're going to go find those offers. You're going to check them out, and you're going to, do a little bit of research on them. Maybe buy it for yourself, which is always recommended. But if not, if it's someone that makes a good program, then you can say, hey, you may not be interested in my system, but maybe you're interested in this, right? And by the way, in that broadcast mentor thing, guys, that program is so amazing. You get 30 days, an exact 30-day campaign that takes a ClickBank product or account from $0 to $1,000 a day. And you get all the emails. You get to watch every day as Matthew gets up and writes his email and hits send, and you watch and you see how the progression of him building that. And he even has droughts, guys. He even has a campaign that's not working well. At the beginning, he's like, oh, wow, this is pretty disappointing. It's not working. So he got to town, and he gives us all those emails that he used to make that campaign work. So check it out, and you can get access to it from inside our system. And again, if you have any issues at all, message me, because you're going to have my contact information. And you're going to be getting emails from me. Message me. Don't get stuck. Make sure you just go forward. If you want success, if you want to be in the top 5% of all affiliate marketers, this is the fastest vehicle to get there. All right, guys. Have a good night. Bye.